Judges.
I am Chandni Putra Pratama.
I am Kenzi Lintang Hakim.
We're from Sekolah Karisma Bangsa and we're here to represent our research of utilization of H5P based interactive learning media to improve students' learning retention in grade 10 on the material of sexual reproduction in humans, human reproductive system, and menstrual cycle.
In today's digital era, Gen Z requires attractive and engaging learning experiences that align with their diverse learning styles. However, many educators struggle to develop such content due to its perceived complexity and the technical expertise required. This challenge often results in a gap between traditional teaching methods and modern digital learning approaches.
Without the right tools, students may not receive the interactive and personalized learning experiences that could significantly improve their understanding and retention of subject matter. To address this issue, we conducted research focused on creating an interactive learning platform that caters to various learning styles.
In this project, we developed a digital learning media using H5P, an open source platform that enables educators to design dynamic HTML5 based content without requiring advanced programming skills. Our goal was to create an engaging, accessible, and adaptable learning experience that meets the needs of different types of learners.
To develop this interactive learning media, we followed a structured process consisting of three main phases. 1. Choosing the platform. We selected H5P because it allows the creation of interactive content such as quizzes, videos, games, and simulation that work seamlessly across multiple devices. Unlike traditional software, H5P is entirely web-based, meaning students can access it through a browser without needing to install any applications. It integrates easily with popular learning management systems such as Google Sites, Moodle, and WordPress, making it flexible for educational institutions.
2. Developing the learning media. To ensure a personalized learning experience, we designed two interactive tools that students use in sequence. A. Interactive pretest for learning styles. This pretest consists of 10 animated questions designed to identify whether a student is a visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learner. Once completed, students receive a personalized description of their dominant learning style, helping them understand which methods work best for them. B. Learning media lets learn according to your learning style. After taking the pretest, students are guided to select a learning method tailored to their preference. The learning experience includes interactive videos for visual learners, audio-based explanation for auditory learners, drag and drop activities, and simulation for kinesthetic learners. By allowing students to choose their learning approach, we create a more engaging and effective educational experience.
3. Testing and implementation. To evaluate the effectiveness of this learning media, we conducted a trial in biology class focusing on the topic of human reproductive system. During the trial, we observed that students' engagement levels, assessed their learning outcomes, and gathered feedback on how the interactive features influenced their understanding. The results indicated that the students were more engaged, retained information better, and found the lessons more enjoyable compared to traditional learning methods. Why H5P? There are several reasons why H5P is an ideal platform for developing interactive educational content. 1. User-friendly. Teachers can create content without needing programming skills. 2. Web-based and accessible. Works on any device with an internet connection. 3. Flexible and integrative. Can be embedded in existing educational platforms like Google Sites and Moodle. 4. Engaging and more interactive. Supports multimedia elements, making learning more dynamic and effective.
Results and conclusion. Our research demonstrated that integrating interactive learning media into education significantly enhanced student understanding and engagement. Specifically, students found it easier to grasp concepts in biology lessons, and many expressed a preference for this method over traditional teaching approaches. Using Higgs formula, Meltzer 2002, N equals to score post-test minus score pre-test divided by max score minus pre-test score. The results of this research is positive. We made a questionnaire and asked the class that we tested on to fill it. And here's the question and the results.
1. How easy is it to use this media? For this question, most students stated that this learning media was easy to use, namely 38.5%. And no students experienced difficulties when accessing this learning media. Do you find this media engaging when used in learning? For this question, most students stated that this learning media increased student engagement in learning, namely 46.2%. Do the features in this media help you understand the materials? For this question, most students stated that this learning media was quite helpful for students in understanding the lesson, namely 46.2%.
This media help you understand the material better compared to other learning methods? For this question, most students stated that this learning media was helpful and quite helpful for students in understanding the lesson, namely 46.2% each. 5. How much does this media influence your motivation to learn? For this question, most students stated that this learning media was quite effective in increasing students' motivation in understanding the lessons, namely 53.8% each. 6. Would you like this type of learning media to be used more frequently in the learning process? For this question, most students stated that this learning media should be used in the learning, namely 46.2%. By providing students with content tailored to their learning style, we not only increase retention rates but also foster more enjoyable but effective educational experience.
Future development. To further enhance the effectiveness of this media, we propose several future improvements. 1. Expanding to more subjects. Applying this interactive approach to different disciplines such as mathematics, chemistry, and physics. 2. Improving accessibility. Ensuring compatibility across all devices, including mobile phones and tablets, to reach a broader audience. 3. Enhancing personalization. Incorporating AI-driven recommendation to further refine learning path based on the student's performance.
This research highlights the potential of interactive learning media in bridging the gap between traditional and digital education. By embracing technology, we can revolutionize learning and make education more engaging, effective, and accessible for all students.
Thank you for your time and interest in our project. We hope this research inspires more innovation in education and encourages the adoption of interactive learning solutions in classrooms worldwide.
Let's work together to create a future where learning is tailored to every student's unique needs.